Let us begin with a simple story. Imagine you are an investor standing today, looking at the future. You know that after 2 years, someone will give you 100 rupees. This payment is certain. But one thing is not certain: interest rates. They can go up or they can go down. And this is where our story begins. First, we need something called a binomial interest rate tree. Think of it like a road that splits into two paths at every step. At each period, interest rates have only two choices. They either move upward or downward. This simple structure helps us see many possible futures without making the problem complicated. Now let us meet our investment, a zero-coupon bond. This bond is very quiet. It does not pay interest every year. It simply waits until the end and then pays one amount, 100 rupees at maturity. Our goal is to answer one question: what is this future payment worth today? To solve this, we set up our example. Today, the interest rate is 5%. After 1 year, the rate may rise to 7% or fall to 4%. After the second year, no matter which path we followed, the bond pays 100 rupees. Now comes the main idea: the expected discounted value. At every point in the tree, we look ahead at the possible future values, take their average, and then discount them using the interest rate at that point. In simple words, we first imagine the future, then bring it back to the present step by step. So we begin from the end of the tree. At year 2, the value is known: 100 rupees. We move one step backward to year 1. At the upper branch, where the interest rate is 7%, we take the average of the two future values and discount it. The value here becomes about 93 rupees and 46 paise. At the lower branch, where the interest rate is 4%, we repeat the same process. This gives us a value of about 96 rupees and 15 paise. Now we are ready for the final step. We move backward once more, from year 1 to today. We take the average of the two values we just calculated and discount them using today's interest rate of 5%. And finally, we reach the present. The expected discounted value of the zero-coupon bond today is approximately 90.30 rupees. But what really happened in this journey? We started from a known future value, moved backward through the tree, and calculated step by step until we reached today. This backward movement is called backward induction. Now, whenever you see a binomial interest rate tree, just remember this story. Start at the end, average the possibilities, discount the value, and keep walking backward until you reach the present.